Ercros is an industrial group with a 100-year tradition that has factories spread all over the Spanish geography. At our factories, we manufacture more than 100 different chemicals, including trichlor, a product destined to the disinfection of swimming pool water. Our Centennial factory is located in Sabiñánigo, in Huesca, at the foot of the Pyrenees Mountains. The production of trichlor began more than 50 years ago, and since then has evolved into an integrated manufacturing process, which starts with chlorine and caustic soda, raw materials that are also produced in Sabiñánigo. This manufacturing system optimizes costs and ensures regular supply. Currently, Ercros is the first European manufacturer of trichlor. Since 2009, our chlorine has been produced using the best available technology, which is 100% mercury-free and minimizes the environmental impact of our facilities and of the products supplied to our customers. Our factory in Sabiñánigo has 2 production lines. In one, we produce trichlor, and in the other one, dichlor or trichlor can be made indistinctly according to the demand. The manufacturing capacity of both plants reaches 28,000 tons per year. Both lines have been designed using Ercros' in-house technology, which ensures the maximum reliability of all our production. In addition, our research, development, and innovation team works together with high-level technological and university centers for the continuous improvement of our products. In 2006, we launched bilayer formulations, which allow different functions to be combined in one tablet. In 2013, we patented free boric acid swimming pool disinfection tablets that improve user comfort and are in line with the most demanding environmental requirements. A year later, we patented chlorine tablets with microencapsulated additives through nanotechnology, the most modern technology in the treatment of pool water. With this new technique, we have approved a tablet with microencapsulated mosquito repellent, and we continue working on new formulations. Our products, manufactured in Sabiñánigo, reach more than 200 customers in 25 countries around the world. Our main clients are the leading industries in swimming pool water sanitation, to whom we supply trichlor and dichlor packed in large 1,000-kilo bags. We also supply a wide range of products for pool water treatment under the Delsa and Azuli brands to the professional market and to the final customer. Our extensive knowledge of formulation, compaction, and packaging processes allows us to offer our customers ready-to-sell products under their own brands in the format and size that best suits their needs. For the task of compaction and packaging of chlorine tablets, we rely on the collaboration of companies specialized in these processes. Our warehouses are equipped with intelligent technology for storage control, the selection of merchandise according to the order of each customer, and traceability to the destination. The Sabiñánigo factory has a sustainability management system that follows the most reputed accreditation standards in the world. These standards guarantee the quality of our manufacturing processes and our products, environmental protection, optimum energy management, safety of facilities, and employee occupational health and safety. But the greatest asset of the Sabiñánigo factory is the people who work in it and who make it possible for Ercros to have chemistry, good chemistry. This is our way of contributing to the wealth and well-being of all, and offering solutions to face the challenges that the future poses.